Sure is a nice day to be in Florida. The cold has finally left us and it is absolutely beautiful today. As you can see, I'm not wearing a coat, just a light sweater. But what am I doing? I am at yet another listing number 3 this week. And we are bringing on the most spectacular pool home on the most spectacular street in Lockmar, Northeast Palm Bay. So let's get right to it. All right, check this out. The street is beautifully lined up. The homeowners do this at their own will and free doing. If you don't want to, you don't have to participate, but they decorate the street so it lights up at night. It's gorgeous. Very quiet street, very close to the Lockmar Elementary. Check out this adorable beachy home here in Northeast Palm Bay on Sierra Place. This house is coming live today. The photographer just left. I grabbed a quick photo so we can actually hit the MLS right away. I don't want you to miss out on this spectacular home. I know this one is not going to last long. The pride of ownership is just absolutely amazing. Look at how beautiful that double front door is and the window going in. I love the very high ceiling at the entryway. Can you see that? I'm almost doing a back spring. Okay, so let's come in the front door. In front of me would be what you probably would use like a formal sitting room. They are very cool people, and this is where their hangout when they're not out back at the pool. So we have Rick's Bar here, all set and ready for the holidays. Now, as I spin over, look at the architectural detail in this home. Very, very pretty. The cutouts. She's turned her formal dining room into a winter wonderland, which is very nice. Nice windows, light and bright in here. Good space for a good sized dining room. If you want a dining room, an office, if you need a home office, if you need a home office and you want to close this up, it's just a little drywall and a couple doors and you could have a private home office right at the beginning of the house. Okay, let's go on in to the master bedroom. Master bedroom's very spacious. I love the master bedroom. Ceiling fan, higher ceilings, private slider out to the pool. I'll give you a quick sneak peek, but we will be going out there shortly. So you have a nice pool enclosed, very private. No one's behind you. There's a lot of space between you and your neighbors, which is one of the nice things about living in Lockmar. The homes are well built, and you have space between you and their neighbors, yet you're... Okay, I kind of got kicked off for a minute on the internet. I've taken the Wi-Fi off, so we're trying this to continue on. So hopefully I'll move a little quicker to try to get everything in quickly. So the master bath, excellent, nice lighting. I love the block glass, lets the light in. Tub, his and her sinks, nice mirrors, stall shower, walk-in shower, area for the toilet, and of course you have a linen closet. Now let's go check out this beautiful kitchen. The kitchen is, I have to tell you, this house has such a comfy, cozy feeling to it. Here's your eat-in kitchen, also overlooking towards the... Well, why wait? Let's check out this pool now because I'm having some issues with Verizon Wireless today. So check out this gorgeous pool. Nice big screen enclosure, no one behind you, nice mature landscaping. It's quite a distance between you and the neighbor on either side. So much pride of ownership. I absolutely love their sitting area. To my left